Now let us go on to determination of national income and employment by S is equal to I approach. Saving is equal to investment approach. Remember, S is equal to I approach is derived from AD is equal to AS approach. You know, AD is C plus I, consumption plus investment. And AS is equal to consumption plus saving. So C plus I is equal to C plus S. Cancelling C on both the sides, you get I is equal to S or S is equal to I approach. So S is equal to I approach is derived from AD is equal to AS approach. Now have a look at the schedule. You can see that up to the income level of 30, saving is less than investment. But at the income level of 40, you know, saving and investment are equal. So at 40 or 40 is actually the equilibrium level of national income, because at this point saving and investment are equal. But beyond 40 again you can see that saving is greater than investment. So according to this schedule, equilibrium level of national income is achieved at the point where S and I are equal, that is when the national income is 40. So 40 is actually equilibrium level of national income. Have a look at the diagram. Here you know that saving and investment are measured along the y-axis and income along the x-axis. Saving curve, S is actually saving curve. It starts from the negative side of y-axis because you know that there is this saving when income levels are low. And I is actually investment curve. I is constant at all levels of income. That is why investment curve is a horizontal line parallel to x-axis. You know, at point E, S and I are equal. So at this point, economy reaches equilibrium level of national income. Schedule which we have already seen, you might have noticed that up to the income level of 30, saving is less than investment. What does it mean? Less saving. Less saving means more consumption. When people save less, it means they consume more. So when they consume more, the aggregate demand will be higher. So aggregate demand will be greater than aggregate supply. So what will happen when aggregate demand is greater than aggregate supply? Inventories will fall. Stock will fall because the sellers will take from the stock and they will bring it to the market. So stock will fall or inventories will fall. By seeing this will give a warning signal to the producers. The stock is falling, so they will increase production and aggregate supply will increase, and ultimately AD and AS will become equal. When AD and AS are equal, S and I will also be equal. Now on the other hand, if saving is greater than investment, you know, beyond 40, I mean 50, 60 and all, you might have noticed that saving is greater than investment. Higher saving, what does it mean? Lower consumption. When saving is more, consumption will be less. Less consumption indicates lower aggregate demand. So aggregate demand will be less than aggregate supply. So when demand is less than supply, what will happen? Inventories will pile up, stock will increase. This will give a warning to the producers. See, your stocks are unsold. So as a rational producer, you will reduce production. Naturally, AS will fall and ultimately AD and AS will become equal. And we have already seen that if AD and AS are equal, S and I also will be equal. So economy will reach equilibrium level of income and employment. This is actually S is equal to I approach. It's an approach derived from AD is equal to AS approach.